Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Livid, a tool that claims to customize your video player, migrate from Vimeo, and host ad-free with full sharing controls. It's a video hosting tool, straightforward. You use it to host and embed your video for your course or on your websites when you don't want to use YouTube and get more privacy. So if you want to teach Vimeo and have a lifetime deal with Livid, it's a great choice. The best deal here will be the license tier 2. Then you're gonna get storage 500 gigabytes, bandwidth limit 2 terabytes, 4K, and you will be able to add your own logo. I'm gonna show you how the tool works. Here is Livid. You can see that it's pretty easy to use the tool. You have the option to import from Vimeo, downloading their app. You have a tab here to import, to upload your videos, or to create a new folder. You can create folders to storage your videos. And here is a video that I have already uploaded. The tool will optimize it fast and it's easy to use. Here you can customize the button color, accent color, icon and text color, background color, everything um, to fit to your brand. Also, you can remove, add your own logo, make a logo a link to your website, and you can remove the brand. So to remove the brand is here, just turn it off to remove Livid logo. For sharing, you can see here that you can copy the link, copy embed, share, and embed. I'm clicking here, so you can see that you can um, you have you have the option to loop video, autoplay on load, start muted, and just click to copy the code and paste it to embed it. You have as options to require password, unlisted, public, private. Um, Here, I'm gonna copy the link and I'm gonna show you the page. Here's their page. The video is pretty fast. You can fast forward, add picture in picture, start casting, and show captions as well. The tool generates captions, and it's free to generate it. So that's the tool. That's Leave It. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye bye.